Set notation of a continuous function. We'll try to go through this quickly. Okay, very first thing I need to do is get the domain and the range. This is a continuous function, so this is written a little differently. The domain, because it's continuous, if I were to write out every single number here, okay? There are, for instance, we have 6, -6, and -5. Well, from -6 here to -5, there are an infinite amount of numbers between. So I'm not going to write 5.1, 5.111, 5.1112, 5.113. That would be way too long to do. So instead what we do is we represent this as x is the element of all real numbers. Okay? So we write it like an XER. It means x represents every single real number. And then we give it a parameter after that. Now in this case, there is no parameter because x technically is going to continue this way and that way forever. Nothing's going to stop it. So x is every real number. It's going to represent all of these. Okay? So we can just write it like that. That's our set notation for the domain. X goes to the left and to the right forever. Our range is a little different. We start range with YER because again, Y touches all of these values here, but I got to put a parameter on this. What is the lowest point of Y? Let's just assume it touches here. -2. Y does not go below -2, but it does continue up forever. So I would have something like this. Y is greater than -2. And this is the set notation for this function here. Is this function, or is this a function? Yes, this is a function because the vertical line touches everything once. You're missing one more part. Don't worry about it.
That's not a function.
Domain and range. This is a continuous function, so we start off with XER. What's the only difference here? It's only to the what of 2? It's only less than 2. So in this case, x must be less than or equal to 2. I forgot to put the equal sign before. Our range in this one is what? It's infinite. So our range is every real number. And is this a function? No. When I draw a vertical line test, it does not work. It hits 2 different points.